What's up everyone? You're with Dipesh Kumar here and welcome to a non-aviation video क्योंकि आज हम बात करने वाले हैं पैसे की रोकड़ा। तो भाई देखो, मैं हूँ हरियाणा से और हरियाणा वाले होते हैं सीधे साधे आदमी। हमें डिप्लोमेसी ज़्यादा आती नहीं है, जो अंदर होता है ना वही बाहर बोल देते हैं। मैं ये क्यों कह रहा हूँ? बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ यूट्यूबर्स हैव मेड दीज काइंड ऑफ वीडियोज वेयर दे टेल यू कि हम बताएंगे तुम्हें कि हमें कितने पैसे आ रहे हैं, बट दे एक्चुअली डू नॉट। वो बात यहाँ वहाँ घुमा देते हैं या फिर सच नहीं बताते या फिर जस्ट अ क्लिक बेट। यहाँ पर नन ऑफ दैट शिट। आई एम गोना टेल यू गाइज how much exactly I earn. I'm gonna show it to you actually, not just tell you. I'll show you my YouTube studio. उसमें तुम देख लोगे मैंने कितने डॉलर कमाए हैं, मैंने कितने इंडियन रुपीज़ कमाए हैं, मैंने किस वीडियो पे कितने पैसे कमाए हैं, क्या हुआ, सब कुछ दिखा दूंगा। बिकॉज आई डोंट नो वाई पीपल हाइड इट। आई डोंट पर्सनली फाइंड एनी रीज़न कि इसमें कुछ छुपाने का है यार। जो मिल रहा है सो मिल रहा है, इट्स जस्ट मनी। बट बिफोर आई शो यू कि हाउ मच मनी आई अर्न फ्रॉम यूट्यूब, I just want to tell you guys, why do I do this in the first place? Why do I make YouTube videos? Well, there are two reasons. Reason number one is you guys. I do it because I love interacting with all of you. It's a great feeling to read all the comments, all the positive ones. Negative भी आते हैं थोड़े बहुत, but I only concentrate on the positive ones. Also, it's great interacting with a lot of you on Instagram. Plus, the number of lives that I've touched through these videos, it's just amazing. ऐसे ऐसे messages आते हैं Instagram पे and YouTube comments में where you actually feel good about yourself, and that is the primary motivation and the primary reason why I make these videos. The second reason is to help people out. There's a lot of misinformation in the market. A lot of people are cheating in the market. बहुत सारे लोग झूठ बोलते हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चों के पैसे भी डूबे हुए हैं. A lot of my students, उनके भी बहुतों के पैसे डूबे हुए हैं because people tend to lie or they don't tell the truth or कुछ some scam is going on, anything. And I don't want all of that to happen. So उसके लिए I try and provide you good aviation content. No bullshit, no फालतू की गंद videos. Just proper, nice, good aviation content. Also, one very important thing is I do not do this for money. पैसे के लिए बिल्कुल नहीं करता. रीज़न बीइंग, एक तो मेरा चैनल इतना बड़ा नहीं है अभी, सो द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी दैट यूट्यूब पेज मी इज़ ऑनेस्टली नॉट अ लॉट, एज यू गाइज विल सी आगे जाके. Secondly, my salary is more than enough to meet all my wants and all my needs. So I don't really need the YouTube money. So it's just for one, to help and talk to you guys, and secondly, for my creative satisfaction. I feel good when I create some good content and I publish it and you guys appreciate it. And that's more than enough reward for me. Now, बहुत बोर कर लिया मैंने आप लोगों को. Let's actually dive into my YouTube studio and have a look at how much money I make. So first of all, YouTube starts paying us when we have more than 10,000 views on the channel. So basically, the total number of views on your channel have to be more than 10,000, and that's when YouTube will start to pay you money. अब वो पैसा कहाँ से आता है? It is basically advertisements. As I'm sure all of you know, YouTube puts ads in front of videos, in between videos and behind videos. Those ads basically are the money that we get. So जिस बंदे की ad है, that person pays YouTube some amount of money, and out of that total amount of money, YouTube pays some part to you for creating content on which YouTube can put that ad. So that's how this works. It's all basically just advertisement and marketing. अब देखते हैं कि actually में पैसे कितने आ रहे हैं. So this here is YouTube Studio. So this is basically an application which is designed for creators and YouTube channel के जो owners होते हैं उनके लिए. So on this application you can see everything about your channel, every goddamn thing. This here is the dashboard on which you get a basic roundup of your channel. So this is the total number of subscribers right now, whatever has been happening with the channel, whatever videos have been on the top, and a lot of other data about your latest video, what post you've made and all of that. What we are interested right now is in analytics. So here, this is analytics. Analytics में you can see a lot of stuff. So सबसे पहले तो यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं हमारे total views in the last 28 days, total watch time in hours, so 28.3 thousand hours, number of subscribers in the last 28 days, and this is the part that I was talking about, the amount of money that I've earned in the last 28 days from YouTube. This here is a graph which shows you all your videos में कितने views आ रहे हैं. This is a live counter which shows you right now in the last 48 hours how many people have been watching your videos. So almost about 40,000 people have been watching, and this is updated real time by the way. Also, when you go down here you can see all your top videos in the last 28 days. So top video has been pilot training in India, how to arrange money to be a pilot. पैसे की बात हमेशा टॉप पे रहती है ऐसे. Okay, so now let's continue to our revenue. This is what we're interested in. So भाई ये है पिछले 28 दिन का रेवेन्यू. In the last 28 days, I've earned 7,000 rupees, like I told you. The number of monetized playbacks have been 215.9k, which means the number of advertisements that have played on my video have been this much. Playback based CPM is something related to algorithm, जो honestly बताऊँ मुझे पूरा समझ भी नहीं आता. But I believe this is the amount of money you get for every 1,000 views, if I'm not wrong. I'm not very sure about this. If you guys know exactly CPM क्या होता है, just drop it in the comments below. Okay, so this is how the money has been going. So basically, this graph is telling me मैंने कितने पैसे कमाए हैं. For example, on 1st of May, I earned 500 rupees. Nice, very good. 3rd May को क्या 130 रुपये मिले. 5th May को I got 445 rupees. Very nice. 8th of May को I earned 500 rupees again. Not bad. So basically, the day I upload a video, I get about 500 rupees from YouTube, which is not bad. Okay, so estimated revenue month wise. So मैंने किस महीने में कितने पैसे कमाए हैं in the last 6 months. So December में I didn't post any videos. January मैंने post नहीं करी. So this money is basically coming from my earlier old videos. ठीक है. In February, March, April I have been posting continuously because obviously quarantine. कुछ काम तो है नहीं आजकल, तो I post a lot of videos, as you guys must have noticed. So as a result, you can see, काफ़ी सारे पैसे आ रहे हैं. On an average, monthly YouTube is giving me somewhere about 6,000 rupees. In May, अभी May चल ही रहा है, so this month I've earned 2,600 rupees. Okay, now let's move on to our top earning videos in the last 28 days. So Pilot Training India bought me 742 rupees in the last 28 days, which is okay, which is not bad. Okay, revenue sources, this is all not so interesting. Okay, so now let's go into something which is more interesting, and which is, let's say, last 3 months. So in the last 3 months, I've earned 18,592 rupees. Okay, which is pretty decent, very nice. Also, so you see the Jaguar video about my car, that video earned me 2,652 rupees, which is not bad. It's making me a rich man. Okay, now let's move on to in the last 1 year, how much money have I earned? Oh my god, not bad, dude. So in the last 1 year, YouTube has paid me 50,000 rupees, and monetized playbacks, so quite a lot of them, and playback based CPM is 100 rupees. So now if you noticed one thing, this playback based CPM has come down in the recent times. As you saw, in the last 7 days, this was only 62 rupees, but over the last 1 year, it has been 96.63 rupees. Why is that? Well, the main reason for this is because आजकल quarantine चल रहा है, and because of the coronavirus, not a lot of advertisements are coming to YouTube. So YouTube is paying us also less amount of money because obviously उनके पास पीछे से ad नहीं आ रही हैं. That's why you'll see the CPM has reduced in the last whatever 2-3 months. So before I show you my lifetime earnings, let me first show you guys कि मेरी actual जो सबसे famous वाली videos हैं उन पे कितने पैसे आए हैं. So the most famous video, the one with the highest number of views is well, let's see, Pilot Salaries in India. So this is the video with the maximum number of views. Let's go to analytics for this video and see कि इस पे कितने पैसे आए हैं. So you see, this video has approximately about 7 lakh views, almost 7 lakh views, and I have earned almost about 13,000 rupees from this video. Now let's go to the second most famous video, which is Fly With Me Kuwait to Mumbai. This video I had to take down because of DGC regulations. But on this video, I earned, okay, so the video is not there, so it's not showing me the data. But okay, yeah, we have it. So I have earned 10,000 rupees from this particular video, which is not bad actually. Let's see, in this video, did we end up seeing the whole thing? Since published, okay, yeah. So since published, this most famous video of mine has paid me about 13,000 rupees. Great. The third most famous video, which is Pilot Salaries in India, this video has about 2,83,000 views. Let's see how much we earned from that. So from this video, since uploaded, it has given me about 6,000 rupees, which is again very decent. Alright, now let's move on to the big one. How much money have I earned since the time I started doing YouTube? Okay, so let's have a look at that. Yeah, revenue and okay, lifetime. Ta-da! Here it is. So, in my whole lifetime, whatever YouTube videos I've been making, this is the total amount of money that I've earned. 1,06,504 rupees. So, as you can see, I started making YouTube videos somewhere in 2017, but I have been very regular with my videos. And so you see the amount of money that I've earned, it has been going up and down because I used to post, फिर बीच में 3-4 महीने कुछ post नहीं करता था, then I used to post videos again, so उसको लेके it's been going up and down, and this is how the graph looks like. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, so there you see the maximum that I've earned in one day from YouTube is 1,800 rupees, and the total lifetime earnings is 1,06,000 rupees. That is the total amount of money I have ever earned from YouTube. तो भाई अब इससे ज़्यादा clearly तो मैं नहीं दिखा सकता था. Like this was the maximum that I could do. I just showed you whatever, however it is. Now if you're interested in knowing कि पैसा मेरे पास कैसे आता है, well Google has my account details. I gave it to them and they verify the account details, do a lot of paperwork. जब वो सब खत्म हो जाता है, then they start sending you money. Now they send you money only when your earnings are more than $100, which is about 7,500 rupees. So whenever your Google account has more than 7,500 rupees, that money is then transferred to my bank account. Taxes are already paid on that money, so I don't have to pay any taxes. It just comes directly to my account. All the money that I showed you right now, this is all after tax deductions and everything else. So that was the truth and reality of YouTube payments and the money that I earn from YouTube. Now, one more thing I would like to add to this is this money that we get from YouTube is not a lot, as I'm sure you all saw. And this in no way compensates for the amount of hard work that these videos require. Writing a script and then shooting the actual video and the editing process. All of it takes a lot of time. Not just for me, for every YouTuber out there who's producing good content. अब वो बकवास bullshit content वाले अलग हैं, but for everyone who's producing good content, it takes a lot of time and a lot of effort. And the money that YouTube pays us is not exactly in proportion to how hard we work for these videos. But the love and the interaction and the amazing times that I have reading all the comments and talking to all of you on Instagram or any social media channel, that is what compensates for the lack of money coming from YouTube. So guys, please keep subscribing to the channel, please keep interacting with me. You can follow me on Instagram, the link's in the description. And thank you so much for watching the video, thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for being a part of the family. You guys are great, and I'll see you guys in the next one.